Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to recover deleted stories on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. This type of screen will appear in front of you. You have to click on the profile icon. On the right top corner, you have to click on the three lines. This type of screen appears. Click on Setting and Privacy. Click on Account. You can see Download your data. Click on this icon. When this will appear, you can see scroll down request data. When you click on the request data, all the stories and the videos you have deleted will come back within 30 seconds in your phone. That was all how to recover deleted stories on TikTok. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.